What would I do? Do-do-do-do. What would I do? Do-do-do-do. Cold sweat, I was in a nightmare, searching in the dark, but I couldn't find you. There were footsteps coming down the hallway, but when I turned around, it wasn't you. I was looking at myself, I couldn't see my face, but deep down I knew it was true. Shadows handed me a question: if I ever lost you, what would I do? What would I do? Do-do-do-do. What would I do? Do-do-do-do. Woke up from my premonition, I couldn't feel your warmth, I couldn't find you. So I flipped out, I ran into the kitchen, I found a little note saying I'll be back soon. Relief came with a little breath, with nothing else to do, I headed back to the room. When I saw the clock was hitting midnight, your clothes were all packed and the dog was gone too. So what do I do? Do-do-do-do. What do I do? Do-do-do-do. Lucky me, it was only a dream within a dream. It gave me sight unseen, and suddenly I knew what was haunting me. The last bite, the last memory of our last night, as I watched you walk away from me. How could I let you leave? How could I let you leave? What do I do? Do-do-do-do. What do I do? Cold sweat, woke up from a nightmare. The sun was peeking its head into the room. Border collie sleeping at the foot of the bed, but still I couldn't find you.
Broken roses, I can't focus. Something precious like you should be never open. So take some time to, don't compromise you. Cause you're worth it, don't let them touch your surface. You'll turn to, don't let them stop you from blooming. Questions and all they assuming. Even the dark side of moons can shine, but it'll take some time and you can find what you're looking for. You lay on the star you should be shooting for, yeah. Don't take some risks, you'll get damaged, and you cannot handle your standards. Yeah, you're the only one you'll talk about, but don't have to change what you talking out. So how many times will you pick up your pedals till ain't nothing left, girl, you need someone else. On the inside, girl, you soft, I can tell. And on the outside, girl, you hard like a shell. I know you're tired of them broken hearts, but even roses can be torn apart. Torn apart. Broken roses, I can't focus. Something precious like you should be never open. So take some time to, don't compromise you. Cause you're worth it, don't let them touch your surface. Yeah. Love is such a strong vocabulary, everything that's really imaginary can seem, really you know you sorta deserve better. The best part about trust is just the third letter. Can't nobody do you better than you do you. No Netflix and chills, only self-love and Hulu. That they never cared, so that's really why you broken. Better to live alone, to just live in the moment. Broken roses, I can't focus. Something precious like you should be never opened. So take some time to, don't
She likes chocolate covered strawberries and wine. She likes notes that say I love you all the time. Roses at your feet, baby girl be mine. Baby girl be mine. Yeah, yeah. Pick up your phone, I need your attention. My girl so bad we call her detention. I am so glad we moved beyond friendship. And your mama like me, look, I squared up with Cupid, told him find me. I stole your love, you shot my heart. I'm losing breath, it's getting dark. I think I might need CPR, baby, won't you tell me, do you love me like I do? Tell me what you're willing to prove, cause I ain't got nothing to lose. It's true that you mean the world to me, yeah. I travel around the globe, but I know that you're the only girl for me. And I gotta let you know that, yeah, baby, yeah.
So that is the end of my pamper routine. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And follow me on all my social media. They'll be in the description box down below, as well as the links to everything that I used in this video. That is all, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.